Hello everyone, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to upload videos on your Instagram account using PC. You need to have a software which is called Grambler. You open the software, you log in with your Instagram credentials, and then you just go drag the video into this box. You wait for a few seconds. After you drag and the video shows, you go crop the video using left click and dragging the mouse. For example, I'm going to crop this size, then click on this thumbnail button, wait for a few seconds. After the video is already processed, you can write a caption. I'm gonna write a few words: video tutorials, then click send. Again, we wait for a few seconds because depending on the size of the video, it's gonna take a few minutes or a few seconds. After the upload is complete, you can go click on Instagram profile, and here we go. You can see our video, so we can like it, you can comment on it or whatever you want. So this is all for now. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you again.